What is up, guys? The one Avila here, bringing you my fourth vlog. I think it's fourth. I'm out here in downtown Riverside with the Psychedelics. We're here riding. As you can see, I got my bike. There's a lot of people over there. I just came over here real quick to record this because it's pretty loud over there. But I'll take you guys over there just so you guys can see. You know, basically we've been riding since like 8 o'clock. It's not, yeah, we've been riding for 2 hours and 12 minutes. Not that long. See if we can make it to 1. But yeah, I'm about to go over there right now so you guys can see. Everybody's assembled over there. So yeah, I'm about to dip over there. I don't know if these guys want me to record their bikes, but I'll let you guys just kind of see what's going on. A lot of fools just bought beer. I'm sticking with soda, can't buy it. So I'll just let you guys see.
Was that loud?
Just louder than that one.
The pill?
Yeah. How many stops are we gonna do?
So last time we did like this one, and then we did one more, and then they went to In-N-Out, but from there I went home because they're going to an In-N-Out away from us, not the one by our house.
Not the one on Van Buren? It's how long it has break?
No. Just how long?
30-minute break.
They can talk.
I know. We can't talk.
It's cool. Right? Oh.
Cool, let's go right around over there in the theaters while we wait.
Around the theaters?
Yeah. Well, it's right there across the street.
Hey, bitch.
No one did
I think we should just go home after this.
Well, my dad said to meet him up back right there.
Yeah? I don't know if they go all the way back there. If anything, this is not far by our house. We just go up the street and then we'll end up like
In Arlington.
right there. So we already left downtown.
We're pretty much by
Tyler, kind of, sort of.
Tyler.
Yeah, because they're gonna go back to Tyler down there.
So guys, Psychedelics, look them up. If you don't already know, look them up, bro. Don't forget it. Good deals. Pretty much just waiting. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 30-minute break, and then we're gonna probably see where else they take us, and then either that we'll go home or we'll follow them. But fourth vlog, the one Avila. Like, please like, subscribe. Peace out, yo.